Well, let's now get to the bottom of this issue in Limpopo, where foreign teachers are unable to get vaccinated. It seems like a glitch in the electronic vaccination data system that's causing their ID numbers to be rejected. Well, is this the case? Let's speak now to Limpopo Health MEC, Poppy Ramatuba. Thank you so much, MEC. Limpopo was doing very well, having vaccinated 30,000 teachers so far. What's causing the problem?
Morning to all your viewers out there, and thank you for giving us this opportunity. We must indicate that if you remember, as Limpopo, we only vaccinated our educators this past Friday and Saturday, the 25th and the 26th of June. And that glitch which we experienced, I must indicate and bring comfort to all educators out there that the issue has been resolved, and we have tested after discussing with Dr. Crisp, who reassured us yesterday and indicated what needs to be done. We did tested those educators. They are there on the system. I mean, if we use the passport number that they do have, the system has been able to accept. And come this Friday, we are going to continue to mop up the remaining educators that have not been vaccinated.
How many teachers is this likely to affect?
We don't have the exact number of the educators. We are waiting for the Department of Education in the province. They are currently now trying to tally our numbers and their numbers, because if you remember the glitches that we had last week, it was not necessarily about the foreign national teachers. We also had the challenges of those who have already vaccinated with Pfizer, who are above 60, to say we didn't know what is their exact number, so that we can subtract it from the number that we were provided with. So and also we had educators, especially if you go to areas like Tabazimbi in Waterberg and Lipalale, where the response was a bit lower than other districts and other municipalities. And the problem being, if you look at our hotspots area, in terms of the increase in number of those who are infected, it's exactly those municipalities. So that explains why many of the teachers did not come for the vaccine, because they will have to wait for the 30 days since they are infected currently. There is those that are on isolation. So we are trying this during these few days, looking at all those categories of teachers. Then come Friday, we will know who is remaining. Hence, you have had a lot of reports saying Limpopo has vaccinated over 30,000 learners. Teachers, I beg your pardon, but we need one more day to mop up. This day that we need, we want to reconcile all the numbers that are there, and then be able to complete this weekend. I'm reassuring South Africans that we will be done with vaccination of educators in our province.
MEC, you've done very well with your vaccinations. Anything to attribute that to? Logistically, you seem to be doing than most provinces.
Planning. I will emphasize that if when we're given a mandate by the national government, because it's their responsibility to come up with policies and give us mandate, what we usually do as a province is to make sure that we execute the mandate by implementing plans that will work, looking at the situation that we find ourselves in. Maybe poverty that is there in our province assist us to want to think outside the box and become much more innovative, so that we come up with tailor-made plans that, in line with the national government mandate, we will be able to achieve what we want to. And the teamwork that has been demonstrated by all those who are responsible, even with the educators, we worked with basic education. They agreed to be led when it comes to vaccination. When we requested them information that we needed, they've been cooperative. When we told them that we won't vaccinate you on Wednesday as per national, but we will vaccinate you on Friday and Saturday, they did agree. They were not hostile to our proposal. So that is why you see us having this success story to can talk about. It's all about teamwork. It's all about leadership that is there from our two administrators, our
Planning.
HODs, and all the teams that are involved.
Thank you so much. That was Limpopo Health MEC Poppy Ramatuba.